Students, today let us study about the formation of sea breeze and land breeze. Before understanding this, you have to keep one thing in mind, that land gets heated faster than the water and land gets cooled faster than the water. Okay, and due to this difference in the heating and cooling of land and water, formation of wind occurs. What happens during the daytime? The land gets heated faster than the water, so the air above the land becomes warmer and it rises up. Due to this, a low pressure zone is created and cool air from the sea area rushes to fill the gap, and this phenomenon is termed as sea breeze. So what happens during the daytime? Land gets heated faster than the water and the warm air above the land rises up and low pressure zone is created, whereas the air above the sea is still cool and it rushes to fill the gap and wind starts flowing from sea to land, and this wind which flows from sea to land is known as sea breeze. And what happens during night? Land gets cooled faster than the water, whereas sea water is hotter and air above the sea water is hot, so it starts rising up and low pressure zone is created above the sea water. Now cool air from the land rushes to fill the gap, and this phenomena is known as sea breeze, is known as land breeze. And in case of land breeze, the wind flows from land to sea, and this occurs during the night. Now let us understand the formation of sea breeze and land breeze through this diagram, through this pictorial representation. For example, during the daytime, what happens? The air above the land gets heated and it rises up, so a low pressure zone is created, whereas air above the sea is still cool, so this cool air rushes to fill the gap, and the direction of wind is from sea to land, and this type of wind which flows from sea to land is known as sea breeze, and it occurs during the daytime. And during the night time, as I told you earlier, land gets cooled faster than the water, so here the land gets cooled, whereas sea water is still hot, so warm air from this sea water rises up. Warm air rises up, so a low pressure zone is created here, so cool air from the land rushes to fill the gap and land breeze is formed. So what is the direction of land breeze? It is from land to sea and it occurs during the night. So wind moves from land to sea during the night and it is known as land breeze, and wind moves from sea to land during the day and it is known as sea breeze. This is all about land breeze and sea breeze, and I hope students you understood it nicely, how the formation of sea breeze and land breeze occurs. And what is the basis of this? Basis is that land and water take different time in cooling and heating up. Land gets heated faster as well as cooled faster, whereas water takes much more time in formation of sea breeze and land breeze. Thank you.